So my name is Katla Komisiane. I'm from Trans Express. I was given the opportunity to come and be a part of the session for the past 2 days. For the past 2 days were very productive. I learned a lot. The coaches in general were very nice, and everybody here was very nice and friendly. And I want to thank my managers at Trans for choosing me for this opportunity.
My name is Kileto Sathate. I do a lot of motivational session. Today I was privileged to be part of a young professional group which we're talking about working environment. We looked at making a working environment very conducive. We talked about teamwork, the importance of teamwork. We talked about how it is important for us to respect one another in a working environment. We also talked about interpersonal skills, good communication, that it is very important, like even if we're in a working environment, it's very, very important that we speak to one another with respect and we use good communication.
The key takeaway, well, I would say I've learned to be confident. For the past 2 days, I've learned to talk in public. Well, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the session at the past 2 days.
The other important aspect that we talked about in a working environment is just to realize our individualism, that as we come as individuals, we need to make it work as a team, understanding that as we come as individuals, we need to be appreciative, we need to be tolerant of one another for us to be able to work together.
Dumelang, hello. I am Ludo Stimela from Career Coaching Botswana. We have just completed a 2-day wonderful workshop and training, and on this training we were talking about skills for workplace success. And if you want to engage with us, we have different BQA accredited courses. You can find us on Facebook, you can find us on Twitter, Career Coaching Botswana.